Hey, hi everyone. This is Sunil here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Trade Shark. And today I would like to visit the Nifty and Bank Nifty and where it is heading right now, considering the overall situation across the world. Um, let's straight away jump into the Nifty 50 index. So as you can see on my screen, okay, there is this one particular box. This I was looking more as a support. Okay, this was a good support area, but it broke very convincingly on the Friday, right? If you see this, this was uh, the candle on Friday, and now it really looks like it will go straight to 21,671 here, this particular level. That is what my take on Nifty 50. Obviously, it won't be the straight fall unless there is a really big news or something. Otherwise, it will definitely be something like this. This particular support area now will become a resistance, and then it will go to the 21,671 level. So this is my analysis actually for the Nifty, and let's see it from the Elliott wave angle also, how it is unfolding. It is very interesting to study this. Before jumping into Elliott wave, let's see this area. Okay, this was a continuous resistance if we see, and definitely I'm sure on the indicators it must have given the divergences. No need to look at that, but it can definitely you can imagine that. So this was a triple top kind of a situation, okay. And then if you see, if I apply Elliott waves here, so this could be my first wave, this is second, and this is the third, then fourth, and then fifth. Okay, sorry, this will be my second wave. Okay, and so this fifth wave should go till 21,671. The third wave can go something like this. If you see, we are in a third wave downtrend. That is really something. Um, this is third wave is the biggest strong momentum wave. So this is something really we need to look at. Okay. Now, even if we look at the internal structure, okay, this is the higher wave structure. Okay, if we go to the little bit inner, for further dissects the third wave, okay, it may go something like this. Okay, so this is the third wave. So mostly the fourth waves for both uh, internal third wave as well as the main third wave, no, main fourth wave rather, mostly they will coincide. Okay, and then it will actually form the fifth. That will be again where the market participants will try really, try to push it further down, but it will lose the momentum gradually, and we will see the divergences between third and the fifth wave. Okay, that will signify the end of the trend. So this is from the Elliott waves study point of view. That also is pointing that third wave is strong, and then we need to watch for the levels for the Nifty towards the downside. So this was a quick study on Nifty 50 index. If we go to Bank Nifty, okay, let's see Bank Nifty. Okay, let's jump on to the index. Now again, this is looking little better, very frankly, as compared to Nifty. This area could be support, but I don't think so. It will be sustained or it will be honored. And what I see, the next target would be this one. Okay, that is 51,417. So we need to see again. This is in a very strong third wave. Okay, very strong third wave. So we need to look at how the market unfolds, and unless there is any catalyst news which could be positive, this is very difficult that this downtrend can stop for now. Okay, so individual stocks also, I don't think so there will be any stock I would go and buy. We'll have to keep a watch on all these stocks. There could be chance coming up once this everything stops, and there could be a good potential. Then we can enter into the market and towards the buy side. But currently, my outlook is purely towards intraday and to the short side, obviously, because the market is very strong towards the downside. Okay, so this is my analysis, and obviously, as always, I um, always recommend all of you to talk to your financial advisor, take the advice, and then only take the trading or investment decisions. Okay, this is purely for study purpose, and this is my analysis on Bank Nifty and Nifty. I will also revisit, rather I will also visit the dow dow Jones index. Sorry about that, DJI. So if I can see that this is the particular support level which comes out as per my analysis. Okay, so this is the DJI index. Okay, and currency also is something I'm currently looking at. So obviously USD INR, it's really increasing. It has it has crossed 92 rupees. So if we go to on the intraday charts or even 15 minutes or hourly chart, it's simply buy on dips. Okay, of course you have to take care of your stop losses and see, apply your technical analysis and fundamental analysis based on news and all. Okay, and then only you can trade these things. Okay, if I go to Euro USD, obviously that will be falling. The simple reason is USD is becoming strong against a euro. Okay, so it will be falling. So it's short on every rise is the kind of current scenario in euro USD currency pair. And if we go to gold USD chart, okay, so here also you will see it's falling. Simple reason, again, USD is strong, right? So this is the overall scenario I can say. And quickly we will visit the commodity. Let's see crude oil. Of course, I'm trying to see that in uh, Indian market. Okay, if we see it's buy on every fall. Okay, at least in the intraday market. Okay, there was a very good run. uh, if we see around this time after 5th March, when actually this all these incidents starts happening, and in a way it is continuing. Okay, so this is the overall take on crude oil. Okay, natural gas, let's visit on MCX. It's a kind of choppy right now. Okay, even though it has definitely impacted the natural gas. Okay, because mainly the crude oil and natural gas are getting impacted due to the current situation across the world. So be watchful on natural gas. It depends on um, okay. You can take a call based on the current news and how the technically it is unfolding. Okay, so this is the overall scenario. I would advise again not to take the position or carry forward the position overnight, because in anything, I mean, whether it is in commodity, currency, or stocks. Okay, mainly um, purely the outlook would be on intraday, whether you are doing it in hourly time frame or 15 minutes, or maybe scalping in lesser time frame. So the outlook will be purely on intraday basis right now. This is what my take is presently. Okay. As always, thanks for tuning into my channel. Okay. Thank you so much. And in next video, mostly I will bring more insight on the algo trading. Algo has been around since, I think, many years, very frankly, right? But definitely now there are more and more platforms coming up, and it's becoming, the the broker houses are also supporting nowadays, right? So I will bring some insight onto the algo trading, and with the AI world that is becoming much necessary to understand the algo trading side. All right, so